Hi guys, welcome to Cartoon Network Escapes. After almost 2 years, I finally managed to finish this video and I'm going to share my experience staying at the International Garden Hotel Narita. This is what the hotel looks like. It has 463 rooms, including one of the largest superior double rooms in the city. Nestled in a quiet part of Narita, it's surrounded by lush greenery. As you can see, the lobby is spacious and well decorated, providing a comfortable atmosphere for guests. Now let's take a look at my room. The room was really nice, it was clean and had all the essentials. The bed was super comfy and I had a great view from my window. The hotel is close to Narita International Airport and Narita City. They also provide a regular shuttle bus service between the hotel, the airport, Narita train station and local shopping areas. Plus, it's easy to get to Tokyo for both sightseeing and business. This is the laundry room. You get self-service washing machines and dryers here. I couldn't record the part where I put the coin for the washing machine to start, but I'm gonna show you how it works for the dryer. So my clothes are washed now and I'm going to put them into the dryer. As it says here, for 30 minutes of drying, you have to put a 100 yen coin. As soon as you put the coin, the machine starts working. AVANTI, the hotel's restaurant, offers breakfast, lunch and dinner in a casual-style dining environment. There's a breakfast buffet offered featuring a selection of both Japanese and Western dishes, and during lunch and dinner there's an Italian menu available. The hotel also has a 24/7 fitness center and a hot tub on the rooftop, but I couldn't take videos of any of them. If you are traveling through Narita and looking for accommodation before and after your flight, International Garden Hotel is the perfect place. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and drop a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.